What's up, YouTube? I woke up the other morning, and in about 5 minutes, I wrote my very first spoken word ever. So I figured I'd share it with y'all. It's called Love Confusion. So here it goes. Instead of listening to the warnings of our God up above, that boy's skill in the bedroom has marred her definition of love. 'Cause once he attains his prize multiple times, the goon ultimately leaves, despite all her cries of, don't go, baby, what did I do? And he's typical, so he'll say, no, babe, it wasn't you. What's worse is when the girl believes this false truth. But it pains me to say that, girl, it was you. In the beginning, he was just another jerk on a mission, but after a little persistence, he was exclusive to your attention. He wined and dined you with aims to climb that mountain your clothes show exist on your back rack. He explored your depths after scaling its heights, and for the very first time, love never felt more right. But it was this circumstantial love that would cause you to falter, because it was simply that mountain that he had come to conquer. So when he leaves you alone, naked and shaking, it's because your privates were flaunted before they were taken. That's why God implores you to live life his way, so those avoidable pains will be kept at bay. Your heart could have been renewed by the maker of your existence, but it's broken now because you gave it to the goon with persistence. He made the flesh of your body feel like the words he said were real glimpses of a love that you had yet to feel. He left you with the words, baby, it wasn't you, but he's lied more than enough, and I have the proof, because it hurts me to see that you believed this false truth. So a real man came to say that, sweetheart, it was you. Hope you enjoyed. So long from the internet preacher who works for free, because my God in heaven holds what's in store for me.